Tara ni sa may Jasaan jump off. Ha?
Tingnan ko ba diyo?
Ay, i-briefing kami. Nag-brief naman ko.
Ha?
Nag-brief naman ko. Morning. Ano dapat sila mani? Natakaroon ka uban na ni si Sir Bricks. Si Sir Bricks. O si Edgar. I-invite sila, invite.
Akong White Island ko akong kita ni mo sa ang porma sa itong Agutayan. Mahimo siyang letter C, letter T, letter L, letter A.
Wey! So sila yung makita-anda na pagmani mo kuan. Kaya muapit gyud mo dani sa jump up. Kailangan muapit mo dani tanawon kung gwapa or gwapo ba mo. Pasar ba mo sa standard. Charlan.
Mostly about the kind of the psychology of how we relate to different ecosystems. It's that relationship between humans and nature. That's always the sort of the subject matter. And what fascinates me is how something like the ocean, like a space like that, how that can be so many different things to so many different people. The ocean kind of, it comes to symbolize everything that we don't understand in the world. The thoughts that go through your head are exactly the same, or can run along very similar lines as. It's a place to which we can project, the things we don't understand in our own lives. And that's why I think the ocean's kind of got this mystique to it and this draw.
Because it forms like a triangle. Anong fish man ang tawag sa starfish? Nga di man siya mulangoy. Ano siya pangutan na dapat natutubagong tanan. Anong bago na ni ba? Uy! Nata din karon sa may tower dani gatulog ang mga caretaker. Ingon sila duha daw kamuk ang gatulog dani. Kuno ilang radio antenna ang pangutana sa nga radyo ilang kapaminahan.
Really, I don't know why it is that all of us are so committed to the sea, except I think it's because, in addition to the fact that the sea changes, and the light changes, and ships change, it's because we all came from the sea. And it is an interesting biological fact that all of us have in our veins the exact same percentage of salt in our blood that exists in the ocean. And therefore, we have salt in our blood, in our sweat, in our tears. We are tied to the ocean. And when we go back to the sea, Whether it is to sail or to watch it, we are going back from whence we came. And therefore it's quite natural.
There is one ocean. The body of water is connected all around the world. When you impact the ocean at one place, it has the possibility to circulate all around the world. And also if you have only one ocean, well, you have to protect it because there is only one.